Mangroves don't like coming far out the rig.
Right,
they gotta either hit it quick or they probably ain't gonna hit it.
Look at this. Back tip. Get off my line. Get off my line.
There you go. I'll put your new leader on there. All right.
I got a red. I got a snapper. Mine coming up too. Uh-oh. What? Oh, I was trying to grab it. Oh, wait, my boo.
Don't terrible plastic.
You ain't waterproof no more. Look at this. What is this? I got a shark. Shark! Hurry! Are we gonna let him cut the line? Alright. Nobody wanna play with him? There he goes. Yes! It was Gordon. Hey, look at that. What is this? No, it ain't this. So we're getting small. Oh, something just hit that one. Let's see what Kershaw making all this fuss. Look at it. Oh, did you see that? Did you see it? Oh, look at there. He turned the line off.
Catfish?
I don't know. That joker was like, it was like this big. I got it on camera. We'll see. Well, that's 3 hooks already. Man, look at him. Look at him. He came down the reel. Still trying to pull that thing in?
He's trying to reel it. I'm just, you can't reel a fish like that. I'm trying to let this one go.
Yep. Nah, about medium size. Boy, it is not that serious. Watch it be a little catfish sized fish. I swear you got a Goliath grouper on there. Pull it on out so we can see it. All right.